everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you how to add footnotes in PowerPoint quickly and easily so you can add references or extra information to your slides. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Go to the slide where you want to insert a footnote. Step 2. Click on Insert from the top menu, which is located on the ribbon at the top of PowerPoint. Step 3. Select Text Box and click on the area where you want the footnote number in your slide content. Step 4. Type a small number for the footnote, such as 1 or 2, depending on how many references you have. Step 5. Go to the Home tab. Step 6. Click the small corner arrow in the font section to open the font dialog box. Step 7. Check the superscript option, which raises the number slightly above the text line. Step 8. Click OK to apply the changes, and now your footnote number will appear correctly formatted. Method 2. Step 1. Go to the Insert tab again if you want to use another method for adding footnotes. Step 2. Click Header and Footer, which opens a dialog box with different options for slide information. This feature is commonly used for dates, slide numbers, and footer text. Step 3. In the dialog box, check the footer option to enable the footer text area. Step 4. Type your footnote text in the footer box, such as the explanation or reference source. This text will appear neatly at the bottom of the slide. Step 5. Click Apply to add it to the current slide, or click Apply to all if you want the same footnote on every slide. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.